My name is Durga Prasad. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Time and work. I already uploaded one video about time and work questions, which are only depends on A and B and C, all these values. Particular persons will be there. A will complete a work in 15 days, B will complete the work in 20 days, C will complete the work in 30 days. So in what time together they will complete the work and all these things. But today we will discuss one type of questions which are totally depends on this procedure. For example, a work is given to 12 persons. A work is given to 12 persons and they are completing in 12 days. 12 days. If the same work is given to 18 persons, they will complete it in how many days? So don't think like this. 12 persons, 12 days. So 18 persons will not be equals to 18 days. Because the work is same here and here. The work assigned to 12 persons, the work assigned to 18 persons is the same. If 12 persons are taking 12 days here, then 18 persons will take compulsory less than 18 days. It is compulsory what? Less than 18 days. Or you can say less than 12 days also. Less than 12 days also. So here observe this, friends. For example, if a work is assigned, that means writing a book or writing some pages. For example, 4 persons will write 20 pages. 20 pages in 2 days. In 2 days. That is, work is what here means writing 20 pages. And they are completing in how many days? 2 days. Work is 20 pages writing. If the persons are 2 persons, if the persons are 2 persons, then number of days will not be. Number of days will not be 1 day. 1 day not possible because 20 pages work is given to 20 pages work is given to 4 persons and they are taking how many days? 2 days. Then 2 persons, less manpower, then they will take compulsory more days than 2. It should be more than 2. Then how we will do this? How we will do this means very simple logic is there. That means these are not inversely proportional. These are not inversely proportional. These are directly proportional. These are inversely proportional. These are not directly proportional. Not directly proportional. Directly proportional and not directly proportional, inversely proportional. These words are not required to you. Just you have to use this one. What is that one means? See here, if the value m1 d1 h1 by w1 is equals to m2 d2 h2 by w2. What is m here? M means men. M means men. What is d here? D means days. H means hours. Hours or time. D and H both are represents time only. What is W means work. In first case, in second case. This is about first case. This is about second case. If work is same in both cases, W1 and W2 will be cancelled. Then the formula will be changed like M1 D1 H1 is equals to M2 D2 H2. If hours are not given, that is H1 is not existed, then what you have to write? M1 D1 is equals to M2 D2. What is M1 here? Number of persons is 12 and they are taking 12 days is equals to M2, 18 persons are working, 18 into D2 is we don't know X. Here 3 cancel 4 times. 3 cancel 4 times. 3 cancel 6 times. 6 here 2 times. 2 into 4, that is X is equals to how many days? 8 days. So here 12 persons can complete a work in 12 days. 18 persons will complete the work in how many days? 8 days. So based on this formula, we will solve some questions. So see this first question. 15 men can finish a work in 18 days. 15 men can finish a work in 18 days. So see here, friends, 15 men, that is M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 H2 by W2. But work is same in both cases because 15 men can finish a work in how many days? 18 days. Find in what time 24 men can do it. It means same work. The work in the first case, work in the second case is same. Ours is not existed because ours is not given to you. M1 D1 is equals to M2 D2. What is M1 here? 15 men. What is D1 here? 18 days they are taking. Find in what time. Time is we don't know. But second case men is how much? 24 into X. 6 cancel 4 times. 6 cancel 3 times. X value is equals to 45 by 4. That is 11 1 by 4. Otherwise 11.25 days. 11.25 days. See the second question. A work is completed by how many men here? 64 men. How many days they are taking? X days. 64 men X days. That is M1 D1 is equals to M2. That is 20 more men are joined them. Already 64 persons are working here. 20 men are extra joined. That is 84 persons are working. Now the work will be completed in 15 less days. Initially, how many days they are taking? X days. Now 15 less days means into X minus 15. You have to find out X value is equals to how much? X value is equals to how much? So here 4 cancel 16 times, 4 cancel 21 times. 16x is equals to 21x minus 21 into 15. Don't multiply this 21 into 15. Maybe the values will be cancelled. Observe 21x, 16x. What is the difference? 5x, because 16x will comes to this side. 21 into 15 will goes to that side. 21 into 15. 5 cancel 3 times. Now 21 into 3 only you have to multiply 63. Answer is equals to 63 days. Number of days is equals to 63. So these questions are very easy. Don't feel these questions are very tough. We are unable to solve the questions in the examination. You have to practice a little bit, then you will get the answers very easily. See here, while you are reading the question itself, you have to understand what is given in your question and what they are asking also. Here 48 men will complete a work. That means M1 is given, M1 is given, D1 is also given, and H1 is also given. In the second case, 48 men complete a work in 27 days, working 8 hours daily. If 36 men were, 36 men are working, in what time? One half of that work. That means W1 and W2 are different here. That is formula M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 H2 by W2. W2. M1 is what here? 48. D1 is equals to D1 is equals to 27 and H1 is equals to 8 hours daily. By work is 1 unit if you are taking in your mind. Otherwise, you can take X also, no issue. Now, in the second case, 36 men are working. In what time? X days. Let it be X days. Half of the work, one half of that work. One half means half. Now, the persons are working how many hours daily? 9 hours daily. So you have to cancel this one. 9, 3 times, 3, 12 times, 12, 4 times. X value is equals to 4 8s are 32 into this half also multiplied half. 32 into half, that is 16. Answer is equals to 16 days. Answer is 16 days. We'll go for the next question. Same pattern with a little bit different. So first case, how many men are working? 15 men. What they are doing? Typing work, and they type 3240 pages in 28 days. That is M1 is given, D1 is given, H1 is also given, hours also given. This is W1. Work in the first case is 3240 pages typing. How many more men are required? That means already 15 men are working now. And how many extra men are required? They are asking. How many extra men are required? They are asking. So I am writing according to the formula 15, that is M1, D1 is 28 and H1 is 6 by 3,240 pages typing is the work. This value is equals to how many more men are required. That means 15% is not enough. We require extra X men. To type how many pages here? 5,400 pages. In how many days? 4 days. Every day they are working how many hours? 15 hours. So 15, 15 cancel. 15, 15 cancel. 4, 7 times cancel. 0, 0 cancel. If you see these numbers, this is 18 square. This is 18 square. 18 is cancelled 3 times in 54. That means 30 here, 18 here, 18 times. 6 how many times cancel? 3 times. 3 how many times cancel? 10 times. 10 into 7 is 10 into 7 is 70 is equals to 15 plus x. Then x value is equals to 55. X value is 55. I hope you are getting the answers very easily. Of course, the questions itself is if you are substituting in that values, then you will get the answers very easily. See this question. In a barrack of soldiers, that means some soldiers are there in a regiment or barrack. So there was stock of food enough for 4,000 soldiers for 190 days. 4,000 soldiers, that is men is given to you M1 and D1 is 190 days. That is M1 D1, 4,000 into 190. This is the total work we can say M1 D1 is equals to. But after 30 days, what is happening? 4,000 soldiers are there in that barrack, but after 30 days, 800 soldiers are there. That means 4,000 soldiers ate for 30 days. After that also food is remains, because 4,000 soldiers can eat for 190 days, in the sense only 30 days are completed. Only 30 days are completed. After that, what happened is in this 4,000, 800 soldiers are left. That means 3,000 soldiers, 3,200 soldiers are remaining. They can eat for X number of days. They are asking what is this X value. See this, friends. I'll explain it to you again. Initially, 4,000 persons are there. That is 4,000 soldiers are there. The 4,000 soldiers can eat the food for how many days? Means 190 days. 4,000 soldiers eat for how many days? 190 days. But 4,000 soldiers are there for how many days only? 30 days. That means food remains for 4,000 soldiers for how many days it remaining? 160 days. But this much of food is left over in that barrack. But now 800 soldiers are left. That means from this 4,000 soldiers, only 3,200 soldiers are there. And they will eat for X number of days. So now 160 here cancel. How many times cancel? 20 times cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 2 how many times cancel? 200 times cancel. That is X is equals to 200. X is equals to 200. 4,000 soldiers, 190 days they can eat. But now 30 days they ate. After that 800 soldiers are went or left the barrack. That means remaining how many soldiers are there? 3,200. So this is the way to solve the question. I hope you are getting the answers also. So see this question here. A contract is to be completed in how many days here? 84 days. How many men are working? 124 men were set to work. 124 men were set to work. Each working how many hours daily? Each working how many hours daily? 9 hours daily. Each working 9 hours a day. See here. This question is little bit different from previous questions. In the previous questions, what they are saying is this 124 men can complete the work in 84 days. But now it is not happening. 124 men are not worked for 84 days. 124 men are not worked for 84 days. Then what happens? He is thinking, a contractor is taking a contract and he is thinking they can complete the work in how many days? 84 days. How many men? 124 men. And every day they will work for 9 hours and we will complete the work. But in the reality, this 124 men are working. 124 men are working. But how many days they worked for? 48 days they worked for. How much percentage of the work is completed? 40% of the work is completed. But daily they are working how many hours daily? 9 hours daily. only 40% of work is completed. Hours, days, men. This is first case. This is second case. Work is remaining. How much percentage is remaining? 60% is remaining. But total how many days are there? 84 days. How many more or additional men are required so that the work may be completed on time? On time should be completed means remaining how many days? 36 days. How it is 36 days, sir? Because 84 days are there. Now 48 days are already completed. Remaining are how many days? 36 days. Now every person is working for how many hours daily? 12 hours daily. But the question is, how many more men or additional men are required? How many additional? That is 124 plus x we will write. 124 plus x. So in the first case, M1, D1, H1 by W1, M2, D2, H2 by W2. So M1 write it 124 into 48 into 9 by 40 percentage is equals to 124 plus x into 36 into 12 by 60. Percentage cancel here. 12 cancel here 5 times. 5 cancel here 8 times. 8 cancel here 6 times. 6 cancel here 6 times. 3 2 times. 3 3 times. Again 2 cancel. 62 times. 62 into 3 186 is equals to 124 plus x. The next value you can find out easily. 62. X value is what here? 62. See, the previous question and this question is little bit vary. So here in the previous question, what they are saying is 84 men can complete the work in 124 days. In the previous questions, they are giving a confirmation. But here this confirmation is not given. 84 men, 84 days are there. And here 124 men were set to work. That means there is no confirmation about the completion of work. In the reality, what is happening is after 48 days, they realized only 40% of the work is completed with this 124 men. Remaining 36 days are there. Then they has to increase the manpower. That's why we are writing 124 plus x. This type of questions, now you can do it easily, very easily. So see this question. Here, so question number 7. A work is to be completed in 46 days. The target time is 46 days. How many men are working? 117 men are working. Each working how many hours? 8 hours. After 33 days. That means after 33 days, they realized how many men are working? 117. 33 days are completed. Only 4 by 7th of that work is completed. And now every person is working how many hours daily? 8 hours. Now, 117 plus x required. Remaining how many days? Total 46 days. Already 33 are completed. Remaining here how many days? 13 days are remaining. Now every person is working how many hours a day? 9 hours a day. How much work should be completed? 3 by 7. How you know that it is 3 by 7? Total one work. Already 4 by 7 is completed. Remaining is 3 by 7 only. 7 cancel. 4 cancel. 2 times. 13. Okay. 13 here 9 times cancel. 9 also cancel here. Then what is the remaining value? 117 plus x is equals to 33 into 2. That is 66 into 3. Then 117 plus x is equals to 198. The next value you know that 81. Then answer is equals to 81. Now, see this question. A contractor undertakes to make a road in 40 days and employs how many men here? 25 men. That means 25 men are working. The work should be completed in how many days? 40 days. After 24 days, he finds only 1/3 is made. Very simple. 25 men are working. They worked for how many days? 24 days. And work is how much completed? 1/3. Remaining work is how much value? 2/3. How many extra men are required? Right? 25 plus x into. Actually, 24 days are already completed. Out of how many days? 40. That means the remaining days are how many? 16 days. But the work is not completed here on time. What they are saying is how many extra men should be required so that is able to complete the work 4 days earlier. That means now we are not taking 16 here. We are taking 12 days only. Why? Because 4 days earlier means remaining days is not 16, only 12 days. Actually, remaining days are 16. But according to your question, 4 days earlier, we need to complete that work. That's why we are writing 12 here. Now, go for the cancellation. 3 cancel. 12 how many times cancel? 2 times. 25 2s are 50. 50 2s are 100 is equals to 25 plus x. X value is equals to 75. That is number of men extra required is equals to 75. So this type of models I discussed here, that is very basic models with little bit complexity. So we will discuss further also the time and work concept. Please subscribe to our channel if you like these videos. My name is Durga Prasad. Our channel name is Quantitative Aptitude by Durga Prasad. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you.